What do you make of the first two hearings so far on the impeachment complaints against President Bongbong Marcos?
Well, ang pinag-uusapan pa lang ay I think whether or not the two impeachment complaints have satisfied the standards when it comes to form and ongoing in tungkol naman sa substance. Well, the way it goes mukhang yung sa first complaint based on the substance, yung first impeachment complaint against the president, mukhang hindi ito baka ma-dismiss ito. It's very likely based on what we saw yesterday. Yung first impeachment complaint it seems to be suffering from lack of substance based on the comments of our congressmen who are members of the Committee on I think Justice. Oo. So, yun, mukhang madi-dismiss yun, pero ngayon, malalaman pa lang natin yung comments niya regarding the second impeachment complaint filed by the Makabayan Bloc or supported by the Makabayan Bloc. So, it remains to be seen, parang it's hard to tell. Mahirap husgahan kung papasabayan or ano. But I suppose the biggest obstacle again, for these two impeachment complaints, should they be able to should they be able to overcome the challenges doon sa committee level, is the majority of the congressmen that have continuously thrown their support to the president. So again, itong impeachment process is a numbers game. So titingnan yung merits of the case, pero at the same time meron ring politika na nangyayari. Oo, so it's a numbers game.